the
Oh,
next one.
yeah.
Or should we go now?
No. See?
Or no? Should we go now?
Keep crossing. Crossing. Time. Jokes, songs, games, and more. Try an activation today. I'll have you laughing real human laughter like
I
Watch
know.
more, should we not?
We just go on and then we come back again.
What's the schedule to this time? Last time?
This way first.
so I'm like something here. Well, if I look
Is everybody tired now? Like,
Everybody's sitting now.
huh?
Everybody's sitting. Yeah, so nice to walk in the shade area.
In the where?
Shade area.
Oh, I
Shaded.
know.
What's inside here?
This is the time we got here last year.
2:30.
When should I get ice cream?
When we return,
Okay.
we go back. Teka lang na.
Didn't! One more time.
And there's a cruise ship.
No, oh, there is.
Yeah. There's one.
This is a good day to come here.
Yeah.
Let's go fly over and have the celebrate. 今天没有。
What's the name of it?
Right.
Huh?
In India.
Ay?
Ay,
Ano
tayo.
ba yan?
Tayo.
You have to lift it.
I know.
This is the slowest countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4. ice cream is calling me.
Oh, another ice cream?
Yeah. It's telling me I need to get ice cream. Wait, let me see which one I want. Let me just walk back. I want the rocket pop. The blue, white, and red. Like America. Imagine there's nothing on the end.
Yeah, unlike last year.
There should be.
But I didn't hear anything.
Me too. Let's see. What if we see some people we know here? You think
I
we
know.
will? Or no?
No. Oh, they're Vancouver. Maybe they just making it inside the
Cruise ship.
cruise ship.
Do you think they're from the cruise ship?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I like this cruise ship.
What is the word? Huh? No, the word. The word.
Baby cruise ship.
Where? Oh yeah.
The princess is a big princess.
Maybe this one is only in Canada.
Maybe.
Like Alaska.
Yeah.
I'll be scared. I'll be like, I'm scared. I would get frightened. Is there Stanley Park?
Where?
That one?
Yeah.
Or North Van? No, North Van's on that side.
North Van
Like
is
really far there.
there.
Imagine I wear pants.
Yeah.
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 I know.
But lots of people wearing pants.
How are they surviving?
Maybe they used to.
For years. All the way out. I go to a different ice cream.
The one in there?
On this side. Let's pretend we're tourists too. But you have Canada. Maybe you did some shopping. But you went all the way to Old Navy to buy this.
I know. It's Old Navy.
Old Navy shopping.
Gonna buy another one. More nice.
Okay. Where are you?
$300 more for the first set of 4.
Two on this arm. Is that Jesus? Here? I should borrow your hat.
Wait, you didn't bring any hat?
No. Look at my phone. It's gonna turn black. Oh, my cell phone maybe. You wanna lend your hat to me? No, your haircut. You're gonna get sunburned.
Yeah. That's why I'm wearing
You wear a hat in the winter. All year round.
no, only when I go to work. When I went home, usually I don't wear hat.
No hat.
Yeah.
Oh, this is new house. It's actually pretty cool.
I think so. Yeah.
You have money? You have
Yeah.
money?
Yeah.
Wait, let's stop.
Okay, let's go. Oh.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Where are we going?
We should go here, that way. You wanna go that way and then go this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Learn so much about myself. I think that's what's wrong with the word. Are we not aware of it at all? You're like resilient.
You're a lot more like, you know who you are. You have like a good sense of it. I think like,
I love Vancouver. It's so beautiful here.
I know, right?
I wish we could live here.
no, you're fine.
Maybe one day.
Oh, please.
Oh.
Let's pretend. I don't want to go home. Are you sad to go home soon?
Yeah. Few hours and few minutes.
Few minutes.
Oh.
I would be
Few
very
hours and a few minutes.
but you know, like once you like, as you kind of were mentioning, like once you get like a sense of like being going, like being in like
Okay, where
Ireland,
to?
right, or like abroad.
What's over there?
You know, you just have like a more fixed
Where?
like kind of grounded version of
Like,
yourself.
right there. Look, fire. Look, go there. He's doing fire show. You see it?
Oh, it's so nice to sit here. Yeah.
Look there. Look,
Oh.
fire.
Oh, just like last
over there.
yeah, last December.
Let's watch it.
It's too hot. Whoa, whoa.
Kayako and A Force of Nature with
Let's get you guys right over there. Up next, Salty the Seagull. Give it up for Salty.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Vancouver Fraser Port Authority. Salty. Delicious.
Oh my jingle
Up next, I think we got Polar Bear. Polar Bear Swim. You must be really warm. Give it up to Polar Bear. Come on up. And then from the Vancouver Police Department, Nitro and Chip. Give it up for Nitro and Chip.
Let's go try this.
Oh. Can you see that on the stairs too?
Yeah, there?
Yeah. Yeah. Careful, where are you going?
Sorry.
You have to be careful, Dad.
Sorry.
Space?
Yeah, here.
Where? Over there. Or no? Where?